Hey folks, so today here I'm unboxing a new set of Hot Wheels, and this is the Hot Wheels Car Culture Premium set. Very exclusive set. It has all German cars and it is the German car exclusive 2022. And out of the 5 cars, there are 3 Mercedes, 1 Audi, 1 Porsche. So let's just have a look at them quickly. First of all, we have got the Mercedes C class, the DTM car. Then we've got the C63 AMG Black Series. Then we've got the Porsche 911 GT3 RS. Then we've got the Mercedes Sprinter and the Audi S4 Quattro. And then looking at them in detail, first let's have a look at the Audi. So it's in this beautiful yellow color, and this is, I think, maybe my first Audi, or maybe last year they had released one in blue. So front details are quite decent. The side profile is actually pretty good, and the rear also is decent, and tail lamp detailing and all of it is good. The wheels also look great. Then we come on to the Sprinter. The Sprinter looks great from the side. The side angle is just about perfect, and the color scheme is also very nice. It is green and black. Front detailing is average. Rear detailing is awesome, really awesome. Tail lamps, ladder, spare wheel, everything on point. Coming on to the C63 Black Series, in photos it does not look so good, but in reality it looks good. Front detailing looks good. Side profile is just perfect. Those wheels are amazing. And the rear is also very good, especially the spoiler and the badging. It's all good, and the color is very authentic. Then we come on to the next car, which is the probably the fan favorite of this set, which is the DTM car, the DTM C class. Rear detailing is excellent, side detailing is perfect. The wheels are very classy, just the DTM style, and card art is very nice. Livery is also good. Front detailing is exceptional, and it reminds us of the old golden Hot Wheels days. Just look at the detailing, the grill, the lights, all of it very nice. My favorite car from this set, no doubt. Hot Wheels has always done a very good job making Porsche 911 GT3 RS, and this one is no different. First of all, the color is very iconic. It's this blue color, the Miami blue, or whatever you want to call it. Then the rear detailing is good, the badging and the tail lights. Front detailing is also very nice. You can see the headlamps, and on the side you can see the small strip where Porsche is written. Now we have a look at the back of the card. You just have the all the models which are present in the set, and overall it's a great set to have. Hope you like it. Let me know which one is your favorite from this set. Thank you.